from? Community consensus? Yeah, okay. So in 3-4, I want to talk about why the frame rules do matter. When you're going for a run, you're going to be performing so well that you know exactly what frame rule you're on. You know if you're 1/3 behind, if you're 2/3 of a second behind, a full second behind. You know all of these little things. And so you know all luck in this game is dependent on when you enter a particular level. So if you know what frame rule you're on headed into 3-4, you know exactly kind of where the potaboos are and all the different little, oh man, you know where all the different kind of little luck factors are. Now in 4-1, I want to talk about the flagpole glitch now. We'll see if Darbian goes for it. The flagpole glitch is very interesting. Essentially, you need to, let's see if he gets it here, and then I'll explain it. Oh, not quite. Andrew's going to be going for it, we'll see. But the flagpole glitch is a big deal. This is what was kind of waiting for everyone to be able to get the 456. Oh, not quite. So the deal is, if you hit that block the flag is on at just the right time, at just the right point, from just the right pixel, all these things chain together, and you actually kind of you just barely clip out. You hit into the kind of block, and you don't actually have to wait for the flag to descend. You just kind of get bonked out to the other side, and you just continue along, and you don't have to wait for that flag. It's interesting because I know how many times, as you guys are watching this, I know how many questions you're asking in terms of why don't they just jump to the bottom of the flagpole? Why don't they just kind of, why do they have to jump at the top? Why don't they just jump to the bottom? You have to wait for that flag to descend no matter what. So because you accelerate faster going backwards in this game than going forwards, like facing backwards and facing forwards, if you hit the flagpole at its apex, then you're actually, when you descend to the bottom of the flagpole, you're higher up on that flag than you would be normally. Like, look at Darby in there and watch Andrew as he finishes. They're going to hit this flag in the middle, and they're going to thus kind of fall to the bottom of the flag. But if you hit the top of the flagpole, you're higher up on the flag. So you're accelerating in the air backwards a longer period of time, and thus you travel from the flag to the castle more quickly. It's these small things which really matter. So we're in 4-4 now. 4-4 is a maze level. And obviously they know exactly where to go, but